So the T111 is up. The molding for the windows are up. The windows are in, which is very cool. And he also did T111 on the outside. We just got to come back and get a primer on it, which we will do. We bought finished paint, but not primer. So he's got the entire front and the two sides done. So remember, there was an RV here, and everything was connected over there to what's on the other side. Well, that's the back side of the circuit breaker box. So everything will be running through that. And I'll do most of it through the walls. But I will get to that at a later date, how we do that, and I'll show you the inside of this part of the building. This whole wall will be taken down. He has added the flooring and the framing for the bottom. It's raining, so it's kind of nasty. And he's prepared the framing for the back deck. And he put that post in. This I did the other day. I hooked up the water. Sewer was hooked up. And we're moving forward slowly. So the door is framed out in there. Let's see if I can get that. Okay, so now you can see the door, two windows. So it's looking pretty good. Coming along. R38 on the ceiling, which we bought yesterday, and R30 on the floor. This is R30. We're also putting, in case I haven't said this yet, I apologize for any redundancy. This is a screen that keeps out bugs and mice and other rodents. We want to make sure that they aren't getting up there and eating and using this insulation. Yes, we're going to flip this, but in all good conscience, I want to keep this house protected. So up there they put 2x4s so we could get the insulation in, R19 again. So it's the same as the walls. So those are some pieces, a good example of using the pieces. Actually, those are 2x4s, but it's still 2x6 inches deep, so the R19 will fit in there. And they will do the same thing on this side, perhaps today, I don't know. I'm not sure when they're gonna start insulation. I can't really do insulation until after I get all the electrical in, and then I have to pass inspection with the electrical and go from there. It's raining and the sun is out. Bead.
Mm-hmm.
That looks like the inside. Those nails look like roofing nails. Are they?
Yeah. Is another knife?
Yeah, big flat head.
Yeah.
So this is where I'm going to end the video, but it's an ongoing progress. So please subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next week.